representing our Cambodian warrior, fighting out the blue corner, representing Kitty Kamjung. The whole record of 64 fight with 47 victories. Thoeun Theara.
กำลังใจคนไทยอยู่ไหนLadies and gentlemen, your Thai challenger tonight, fighting out of the red corner, representing Thailand, Yoddisel Loukjaomaesaithong.
So moving on now to our main event of the evening, Cambodia versus Thailand in the 70-kilogram division. And introducing first in the blue corner, Thoeun Theara from Cambodia. He's 18 years old, stands at 175 centimeters, has 64 fights, 47 wins, 1 draw, and 16 losses. His last 4 fights here at Max was a points win over Yod Bandit, Sit J Miao, a first-round TKO win over Yod Bobi, Doi Torejin Banting, a second-round KO win over Nam Kabon Kiat Navy, and his last fight a points win over Surati Pet Nonggi. He trains and fights out of Chor Ratanachai Gym, where he's trained by Chert Chor Ratanachai and managed by Somsak Nonchat and Yut Putong.
His opponent in the red corner, Yoddisel Loukjaomaesaithong. His real name Jakapong Krumram from Buriram, northeast Thailand. 19 years of age, 85 centimeters tall, had 68 fights, 48 wins, 1 draw, 19 losses. His last fight here at Max was a points win over Greg Gottardi from France.
ครับก่อนจะไปเริ่มมวยคู่ของรายการในค่ำคืนนี้ในโอกาสนี้ขอเรียนเชิญผู้บริหารหนุ่มไฟแรงผู้นำพาวงการมวยไทยไปสู่ระดับโลกประธานบริษัทแม็กซ์มวยไทยคุณอาศิระตะเจริญสุขและกับนักชกมวยคู่เอกของรายการในค่ำคืนนี้ครับ Mr. Asira will be giving Max Muay Thai medal on the finals of the main event. ขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับคุณอาศิระต่อเจริญสุขครับประธานบริษัทแม็กซ์มวยไทย And now let the main event begin.
In the red training fights out of Loukjaomaesaithong Gym up in Buriram, we're trained by Nam Kabon and managed by Nipapon Damsai. This will be a real tough test for Yoddisel. Thoeun Theara been on an absolute tear here at Max, and he's an absolute superstar back in his home country of Cambodia. Outside of the ring, one of the nicest kids you'll meet. Very calm, placid, and polite kid. But when he gets in here to fight, you see a different side. Those elbows, famous elbows of his. Yoddisel come out looking fired up here. Yoddisel's got a good height advantage over Thoeun.
Thoeun trying to sweep those legs out early on, but Yoddisel showed a lot of power there in his legs.
Fast high kick there from Yoddisel. Yoddisel beating Greg Gottardi. That's no mean feat. Greg himself been on a very strong run of fights here at Max before losing to Yoddisel. Very accomplished French fighter. Big elbow from Thoeun now. That's the shots that Yoddisel will really have to look out for.
So everything he does, you hear the crowd here just explode. There's a lot of Cambodians here at the stadium.
He's, like I said, he's a superstar there in Cambodia. And there's a lot of Cambodians in Thailand around Chonburi at work in here. And they always come en masse here to cheer him on when he fights. Big elbow through the guard from Thoeun Theara. Yoddiesel's coming at short notice here as well.
Yeah, taking a lot of punishment though.
He was originally supposed to fight Kitty Sojo Banreong, Thoeun, but Kitty unfortunately had to pull out.
Thoeun still looking for those elbows. Looks like he
Got a cut on the right eyebrow, I think, there.
bleeding a lot. A big gash.
That's a huge gash there.
It's going to be hard to see this one continue. Looks like he got hit with an axe.
It looks long and it looks deep as well. Oh, no, that's not going on, I don't think. That's it, all over in the opening round. Another stoppage win for Thoeun Theara. It's a shame because the fight didn't really get warmed up there. But those elbows from Thoeun Theara are devastating.
You can see from where we're sitting across the ring, you can see the actual inside of the cut over there on Yoddisel.
It was not just long, but it also branched off as well. It's almost like a letter Y.
Those rising elbows he was trying to feed through the guard there.
Already cut there as well.
So I think it's safe to say that I think everybody still wants to see that test against Kitty.
Yeah, he's pulled out twice out, Kitty. Everyone wants to see that fight. Whether or not we will get to see it in the near future, everyone keeping your fingers crossed. I'm keeping my fingers and my toes crossed because I would love to see that fight happen myself. You can see there, it's a nasty, deep one. Only breaking a sweat there.
Ladies and gentlemen, after just one round of action, we have a winner by ways of technical knockout, blue